All right, welcome back to YouTube channel, Bluebird channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you very exciting information, essential, the must-know essential keyboard shortcuts for YouTube. And you can, of course, you can do on the right side here, full screen, the backward 10 seconds, forward 10 seconds, mute, decrease speed of video, increase speed. You can do it your mouse click, of course. But that's
still
okay. You click several times, like speed,
so
play with speed.
It goes to
At least 3-4 times. It's not efficient.
Double bonuses.
Okay, and mute. You can click here one time.
Somebody else.
But with key, let me do it here.
Okay.
So mute M, as you see. So mute it. It's a toggle button. So if I click here, back to speaking, mute. What about decrease speed of video? Shift, comma. Okay.
Print.
See? Can you see? It's decrease speed. Very slow now. Increase speed. Shift period. It's a normal speed 1x. So maximum is 2x. See?
Top hat. 7 lucky top hat chances.
Yeah, that's the forwarding very fast.
Okay.
What about full screen? F key. So if I click here, F is a full screen now.
The display is already past the land. So
right? Okay, good.
Wait for another chance.
Once again, F back to normal.
But
you don't need to remember everything, but this is a 6 key I strongly suggest you remember, and this works for the Chrome notebook, laptop, and Windows 10, and Macintosh. I tested with Chromebook and Windows. Macintosh I haven't, but what I heard is it should be working on a Mac. So please do it. And if you have a Macintosh, iMac, please leave your comments, your results. And one more thing is, you don't remember this thing. Hover over mouse over the video here, right? And then as you see, hotkey map. Okay, you can recall the hotkey map on the screen. The shift, so /. Can you see? Yeah. So keyboard shortcut map is a pop on your screen. So if you scroll, hover over, see J, L is a forward. Remember, increase playback, decreasing playback. So here it is everything here. But like I said, at least I want you to remember 6 keys, all right? Plus hotkey map recall, all right? Yeah, this is all for today, and please leave your comments, like my video, subscribe my channel, and see you next time.